Circle. A circle is the set of all points in a plane which are at a fixed distance from a fixed point in the plane. The fixed point is called the center of the circle, and the distance from center to any point on the circle is called the radius. The equation of a circle with radius r having center hk is given by x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. The general equation of the circle is given by x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0, where g, f and c are constants. Center is minus g comma minus f and radius is under root g square plus f square minus c. The general equation of the circle passing through origin is given by x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. General equation of second degree ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 represents a circle if first bit the coefficient of x square equals the coefficient of y square, that is a equal to b not equal to 0, and second bit the coefficient of xy is 0, that is h equal to 0. The parametric equation of circle x square plus y square equal to r square are given by x equal to r cos theta, y equal to r sin theta, where theta is the parameter, and the parametric equation of the circle x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square are given by x minus h equal to r cos theta, comma y minus k equal to r sin theta, imply that x equal to h plus r cos theta, comma y equal to k plus r sin theta. The general equation of the circle involves three constants, which imply that at least three conditions are required to determine a circle uniquely. Parabola. A parabola is the set of points P whose distances from a fixed point F in the plane are equal to their distances from a fixed line L in the plane. The fixed point F is called focus and fixed line L is the directrix. Standard equation. The four possible forms of parabola are opens rightward, opens leftward, opens upward and opens downward. The lateral rectum of a parabola is a line segment perpendicular to the axis of the parabola through the focus and whose endpoints lie on the parabola. Main facts about parabola. Forms of parabola: y square equal to 4x, axis y equal to 0, directrix x equal to minus a, vertex 0 0, focus a comma 0, length of lateral rectum 4a, equation of lateral rectum x equal to a. It opens to right. It is very important form. We have to remember it and use this to derive equation and other important points for other three forms. If parabola opens upward, the equation is x square equal to 4ay, that is simply x and y are interchanged. Focal distance of a point. Let the equation of the parabola be y square equal to 4x and p xy be a point on it. Then the distance of p from the focus a comma 0 is called the focal distance of the point. Fp equal to under root x minus a whole square plus y square equal to mod x plus a.